Building and sustaining a deep network is as close to a sure thing in career advancement as you will find. What is it? How do you build it? How do you use it? Deep networks typically apply to select markets or industry segments. Executives and managers who are committed to a geographic-specific market or specialized industry segment are the biggest beneficiaries. A deep network is when an executive or manager has identified and connected with multiple counterparts in competing or affiliated companies. These connections may be initiated through online platforms, professional associations, and local or regional service or social clubs. Still, they must represent more than just a notch on your belt of who you know. You have to work at building professional and personal connections that are value-based. These are not typical passive LinkedIn or Instagram connections. Deep networks are comprised of meaningful, mutual relationships.